Bringing home a new puppy is an exciting and often overwhelming experience. Puppies require special care and attention as they develop both physically and mentally. Here are some important things to teach your new puppy. Use treats and hand signals to teach your puppy to sit on command. Teach your puppy to stay in place until you give them a release command. This helps with impulse control. Establish a routine for taking your puppy outside to the same spot to relieve themselves. Praise and reward them when they go outside to reinforce the behavior. Use a crate to help your puppy learn bladder control and as a safe space for them to retreat to. Expose your puppy to different people, including children, in a positive and controlled environment to help them become comfortable around others. Supervised playdates and visits to the dog park can help with this. This command teaches your puppy to walk beside you calmly, which is especially useful in crowded or distracting environments. Introduce your puppy to regular grooming routines, such as brushing and bathing, to keep their coat healthy and free of tangles. Petrodex Dental Care Kit for dogs and puppies cleans teeth and fights against bad breath. It also reduces plaque and tartar formation. Gradually get your puppy comfortable with having their nails trimmed to prevent overgrowth and injury. The Dremel Dog Nail Grinder provides a safe and gentle way to trim your pet's nails at home. It is also safe for puppies, cats, and other animals. Discourage biting hands, feet, or clothing by redirecting your puppy's attention to appropriate chew toys. Gradually get your puppy used to being alone for short periods to prevent separation anxiety. Start by leaving them alone in a room while you are home, then gradually increase the time and distance. Leave toys or a piece of clothing that smells like you to help comfort your puppy when you are not around. By teaching these foundational skills, you help your puppy grow into a well-behaved, happy, and confident adult dog.